He was selected and appointed. He was chosen. Empethweni kwakhe uthi umama bekhuluma lapha ngaphambili uthi uma kwabakhona abantu abamelene nalento ayibizelweyo. Hayi abamelene naye. Kumele understand le nto ukuthi bebengamelene naye, bemelene nento ayakhayo. Manje into eyenza ukuthi befuna ukubulala yena ukuthi bafuna ukumisa into ayakhayo. Icebo labo ukudestroya into ayakhayo. Manje ukuze befike entweni ayakhayo ime, kumele kubulawe yena ukuze kuzofinto. Kodwa lithi iBhayibheli inhloso yesitha bekungeyona impilo yakhe. Isitha besifuna kumicebo. When we understand this is standards, ukuthi kahle kahle isitha sifuni wena. Kodwa isitha sibona lento uNkulunkulu amisele yona. Uyamashande hosa kuyenzela fike izimo endleleni yakho uvile usugamaza ushona lento uNkulunkulu amisele yona. Ufike izinto in your life sikwenza ugamaza lento uNkulunkulu akuthume yona. Ufike izinto, ufike amazwi akhuluma against the purpose of God. Afika athi ngeke ilunge lento, athi ngisipho umusha, athi lethi ngawiswa nasipho umusha. Whatever that we are doing, athi lento yenzayo ngeke uvumelele, athi lento yenzayo ngeke iye phambili, athi lento yenzayo izophelela endleleni, athi lento yenzayo ayinawusebenzi walutho. It doesn't matter ukuthi bathini abantu, it doesn't matter ukuthi ithini inkulumo, kodwa mina ngizokhuluma nawe, ngizokhuluma nawe ukuthi uJehova akhathile Nehemiya, akhulile Nehemiya. Litela iBhayibheli athi bekhanda indonga aphathe inkemba esandleni sawo. It's your time, dala baba, ukuthi ungasteki manje, ungasteki manje, kodwa uphathe inkemba esandleni sakho. Babuzulu, ngizothi mina we are building, we are called to build, we are called to build. Asenyukele zindoma zilinde wena. You are anointed. Asenyuke indoma in your life. Asenyuke indoma ekhaya lakho. Asenyuke indoma ekhaya lakho. It is waiting for you. Ngithanda ukuthi bemele befaka amakalapha ukuze bakulistina siwele khanda sifike sithole amakalapha istina besifikanwa isitini sakhe. Sometimes awuyifikele iy'ntweni zezitha, uyifikela ngisho iy'ntweni zakho. Akusona iy'tini ey'ngamshasa imlimaze zezitha, iy'tini ey'ngamshasa imlimaze zakhe. But the more ziphakama, ngisho izinto zakhe ziba yingozi kuye. Sometimes lento yokuphakama kodongo lwakhayo lenza ukuthi ngisho iy'tini zakho ey'sondelene nawe, ey'phathwe nguwe, ezakhiwe nguwe, zigcina sezidangerous kuwe ngoba udonga liyaphakama. The more you knew who's dog, the more you knew who's dog, the more attitudes it was your stomach, the more attitudes it was your stomach. Got to talk a little and then coffee you. When you got your problems, when you have a dose, when you got your problems, when you have a dose, you need to be safe. Be careful. God in the summer, you're going somewhere on a younger. You're to be the cause. Izitha zizomisa udonga mambe, izitha ezithi ngeke zifuna ukubona ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani empilweni empilweni yakhe. Sifuna ukubona ukuthi uzolwakha loluthonga. Sifuna ukubona lithi iBhayibheli bathi bathemba intuli, bathemba uthuli, ukuthi uma nje sekunothuli we will come closer to them. Sibe ngaphakathi kwabo bengasiboni ngenxa yothuli. Hayi bazalwane, uthuli ngoba bayazi ukuthi makwakhiwe uthuli luzoba khona. Bathi we will use uthuli endaweni yababakha kuyo ukuthi bangabe kunyakaza uthuli thina sishadele sibe phakathi kwabo.